Why ACCA? If that's the question you're seeking the answer to, then watch my video till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and the Indian CA. So first and foremost, let's understand what is ACCA. ACCA is a UK based chartered accountancy course and it gives you exposure to fields like auditing, accounting and taxation. Now, to understand basic details of ACCA, we have already created a lot of videos on how the course structure is, what is the fees, what is the entry level. So you can go and watch all those videos to get an update on the basic understanding of ACCA. Today we are going to be discussing why it is the right choice for you and how can you choose if ACCA is the course for you. First and foremost, you have to decide your area of interest because ACCA gives you a variety of options in which you can be working. You can be working in the field of accounting, auditing, taxation. Along with these, you can also be working in the field of cost management and financial management because ACCA as a course is quite flexible and it gives you the option to choose your specialization in the last level. So based on your specialization, you can choose your future career in finance. So if these are your area of interest, then ACCA definitely becomes the right choice for you. Second of all, the best advantage of ACCA is that it has global exposure. It is recognized in 180 countries throughout the globe. So if you are someone who loves to explore different countries, want to work in multiple countries, then definitely ACCA is the course for you. Next, ACCA is quite flexible. Now what I mean by flexible is they have the examinations which are very flexible. You study one paper, attempt that paper, get 50% marks in that and then you clear the paper. So you can give the paper of your choice in your order, in your preference. So there's a lot of flexibility given to students when they are attempting the paper, which honestly is not available in lot of professional courses. If I have to talk about Indian CA, you have to write an entire group, pass the entire group together. But all of that is not in ACCA. So I study confidently one paper, attempt it, pass and then move on. So there's a lot of flexibility for you when you're attempting your ACCA. And how can we not talk about the cost when I'm discussing if ACCA is the right choice for you? So cost wise, it is not very expensive, it's quite economical. So if I have to compare an Indian CA with ACCA, the cost is quite similar. You will be incurring about 3 to 4 lakhs as an Indian CA and that's what you will be incurring as an ACCA also. So the maximum expense that you're going to be incurring is 3 to 4 lakhs, which includes your registration, your examination fees, cost of your books and your tuition fees. So guys, it's a very, very economical course. If I have to talk about the kind of benefits you will get by pursuing ACCA. So if you are a student from a finance background and you have cleared your BCom, then you don't have to write 5 papers out of the 13 papers. If you have cleared your CA Inter, you don't have to write 6 papers out of 13 papers. If you have cleared your CA Final, you don't have to write 9 papers out of 13 papers. So again, there's a lot of student friendly environment that's available by ACCA by providing you exemptions, which is really good because they believe you've already studied this in your graduation or in your prior qualification. So there is no point doing it again. So it will also help you to complete the course faster. So you can also look at doing this course in a short duration by claiming these exemptions. So these are a great benefit of doing ACCA. In case you are still confused and are trying to figure out if ACCA is the perfect fit for you or no, then you can reach out to me for a personalized guidance and I will be very happy to help you. I am providing a free consultation to all finance graduates confused and trying to figure out their career path. So just contact me on the number given below and book your free consultation with me today. To learn more about career options and ACCA, do follow my channel, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with more confused friends of yours, and do give me a comment below on how you found the video. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.